Hi friends, it's Julia. Today I'm playing along with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and this is round number 7. Today is day number 19, and the sketch today is one for Hip Kit Club, and it is by Elsie Robinson. Of their, I think she's part of their design team, or was part of their design team. I'm not sure when this sketch came about, and I don't follow along with their design team and who's on it very often. Sorry, y'all. Anyway, this one calls for one central photo and a title to be across that photo, and then lots of floral embellishments. And it looks like two separate papers. So you've got an outer paper with an inner paper or maybe a stitch border on the inside, and then a separate piece of paper coming along here behind the photo and the title and the flowers. So we'll see what I can come up with. I have my one photo, and then I have these flowers that I'm going to fussy cut. I almost started fussy cutting them before I came on and shared what I was going to create. So I'm going to fussy cut these out, and I may use this banner for my title. I don't know. We'll see. These are the papers that I have pulled. So you can see the green with the wood grain, and then the pink either to back the photo or maybe to go along the bottom, or I might pull in a different color to go along this bottom here. We'll see as I go along. Embellishment wise, I pulled quite a bit. I have pulled in this rub-on sheet. I want to try and get some of this used this time since it is a kid-focused layout. This one I want to try and use a little bit more. This is the letter set that I've had in my kit the entire time and just haven't pulled it to create a title. It's the last one that I haven't used, so that's good. I pulled in all 3 sets of my washi stickers to try and get some more of these used up. There's another page to those somewhere in here. I just don't know where. I pulled in all 3 sets of label stickers. I only have 2 left on this page to use, and I'm hopeful that I will be able to get it used up with this layout, because the colors will go rather well. Anywho, but I do have 2 other options along with that, plus the one from Felicity Jane. There's 2 sets here of the same one. I'm going to try and focus on using that page. I did pull these rub-ons for just in case. I did pull these cork stickers for just in case, and I thought because the inspiration had stars on it I would pull these. Plus I have some wood veneer stars here, and I have, you know, tons of other embellishments that I just didn't even bother to go through at this point. I'm going to try and use some from here, but if I feel the need to go rooting through all that stuff up there, I will. And I'll pull something from there to use if that's what I decide to do. I haven't made up my mind just yet to be 100% follow this. I do have these big flower embellishments. I have quite a few in this line that I could use, so that still may be an option for me. Anyway, I'll get started on it. I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 19. This was a sketch by Elsie Robinson for the Hip Kit Club. And I don't know when it's from, but it's super cute sketch, and I had the perfect add-in paper to my kit. I showed you guys the one that I planned to fussy cut that worked perfectly for this. So let me show you what I did not use. All of these here on top. These washi stickers I did not use. These labels I did not use. These labels I did not use, nor did I use these labels. So all of those go back into my stash, as do both of these sticker sheets. These are the coaster board, chipboard, yeah, and these are the plain stickers. I didn't use these. I did not use the word phrases or the little icons images in there, and I did not use these cork stickers. I put all the jewel ones down here and then put all the other ones up here because I don't know that I'm going to use those jewel looking ones at any point. So yeah, so showing you what I did use as far as paper goes, this is what I have left. I had pulled this one in thinking I was going to use it along the bottom of my layout, like this indicates there's a piece down here. It did not work, so I put it down and I ended up pulling it back up. I pulled in this orange scrap that I had from my scrap stash that I pulled in to map my photo as one of the layers under it. I cut off a little bit of the wood grain paper to create my background, and that will go back into my stash because I did not use it. And I did use these stickers. This was an arrow sticker, and you can see I cut off the point as well as the arrows to create just a little label sticker. And I do that a lot when these arrows don't work for me. I make them work. I do what I need to do. I did use another rub-on from this sheet. I'm really proud of how much I've gotten used off of that one sheet of rub-ons. It's amazing. These washi stickers, I did use a couple from here, and I did use one from here. I used this one from here, and then the heart one from the second page, I used all but one little heart from that. So these will go back into my stash. And I did use this alphabet to create my title, and I was able to use these rub-ons finally. And here is the layout that I created. Oh, that was a cutout that I didn't end up using. So it will go into my leftovers. So you can see I got a ton of product on here. All these flowers, some of them are popped up, some of them are not. But I love, love, love how this turned out. I put that pop of orange around here because my sister in the photo is wearing like a corally orange shirt. And so I brought it in little bits and pieces. I brought it in here, I brought it in down here, and I brought it in here and then around there. This one, because it was such a different, that magenta color, it was so different, I decided I'm not even going to fight with it. It's going to be the random one thing that's different from all the others. And I'm okay with that because it says Moments with You, and it works. The inspiration not only had the floral designs, but it had stars. I added stars as well. I had these little wood veneer stars that I added in here. All of these flowers I cut from that one sheet of paper, and then the washi strips and the title up here. I put on the pink as a, and I didn't show you what I had left of that. I had just stuck it back in there. I did use a portion of that pink paper to do my background photo mat. I had a green piece left over that I used for a photo mat, and then this orange color for a photo mat. And I took 3 of the border stickers and I layered them up like this. This is a different one that I used in a different layout, but that's how I layered them up in order to go along here. I cut them down some, and then I nearly covered this side up. You can see the green, you can see a little bit of the dark green, but you can hardly, you can't see the corally orangey color on this side at all. So yeah, let me bring it up. And I thought about getting out some bling and doing a bling background along with the flowers, but then I opted not to. I thought, well, we'll just leave it as is. I don't know that you get the full detail of those flowers that are layered up, but in person it looks phenomenal. So these are layered up on foam, that's on foam, 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 and foam. The rest are all flat down on the paper. It just took some finagling and playing to get everything like I wanted it, but I am very content with how this layout came. So make sure to stay tuned to the close-up photos at the end of the video, and if you have not been following along on YouTube, you can put in the hashtag 30DSCBL7 and all of the videos that are tagged with that will come up, or you can go over to Instagram and put the same hashtag 30DSCBL7 and all the images that are playing along with this will show up. Or you can head over to Christy's Facebook group, join up over there if you're not already, and see what everybody's posting every day. She's posting the sketch each day over there, and people are playing along. It is so much fun to see all the inspiration that you get from those layouts. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.